Hello all, I just wanted to share with you me getting to see the Scantech for the first time. And so I've got a couple of video angles here. So here I am here I'm there. So let's take a look here. Alright, looks like we've got some targets if we need them. Got a USB, a couple USBs. Some power stuff, so let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, we'll put that there. Let's see what else we got in here. Alright. Looks like a European plug cord. And the cord for looks like we got power and USB, and that goes to the scanner, so that's cool. Let's take a look at the scanner here itself. Oh! Here is the other power piece, so that's good. That's not going to work, but this one will. Perfect. So we'll put that one down here. Alright, I am plugged in. Perfect. Let's take a quick peek at this scanner. Everything seems to be packed up pretty nice. That looks really good. It's not too bad. Nice and lightweight. Pretty slim. So I'm going to stick that there. I'm going to pull this to the side. And I've got two of these, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, there's some sort of calibration thing. Here's a calibration plate. So I have these two pieces here. One is a USB, one is a dongle. So it says take the USB stick and I'm going to put it into my computer. Plug in the computer, copy the software package, then double click on the software to install it. So I'm going to bring that over here. So this is what I'm looking at here. Still going. There it goes. Alright, so here we are. We're going to see about plugging all this together and see what happens. So we've got a power cord here, and then that power cord will go into, let me get that right, the this master plug essentially, and then there is a USB. In fact, I did find out I have to use an adapter. So there. You also have to have this dongle attached to make the scanner work, so we'll put that in as well. So, before we power anything up though, so I'm going to leave the power cord out. We'll just make sure it doesn't fall here. We're going to go ahead and plug this into the scanner. So, here we go. There it goes. It kind of keys in. And this one keys in as well. All right. So I'm sure I will get better at that. So there you go. All right, we've got our scan tech. It's not connected, you can see on the red there, so let's get that going. I have already calibrated it. That process was pretty simple. Half click gets you scanning, and if you look at that right slider, you want to make sure that you stay in the green. So let's see, you've got from about 380 to 550. All right, 50. Yep. All right, another half click. And we're green. And I like to go ahead and get the distal ends. And I'm going to go ahead and get around this way. You can see I just lost tracking there. I did a really nice job. Super tight with my green screen right behind me. That's what you heard. I'm going to try to make it work though. I'm going to really try to get underneath there. That looks pretty good. All right. Let's see what we've got. Looks pretty good. Let's close it and see what we got. Oh, there it is. We'll wrap that in a mesh. See if we've got any holes. Everything looks really good. So let's apply the texture. Wow, that was fast. Really, really fast. That looks really good. I'm actually gonna just lasso some things here. Right click, reverse selection, delete. And we'll delete that. Let's just take a quick peek again and see what we got. Wow, that looks really, really good. So, and that color is going to come right through. Looks exactly like a picture. So, very impressed. Stay tuned for more scanning with this. But overall, for the first go, I am super impressed. And I tell you what, it's a lot faster than some other solutions that I have used. So, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.